people. He said, when I die, I have one request. Please put my hands outside of the coffin. You remember that? Yaad hai bhai? Bahut mashhoor baat hai. He said, please put my hands outside when you are taking me to the grave. And they asked him, why you want your hands outside? He said, I want the world to know that even though I'm Sikandar, Alexander the Great, I leave this world with nothing. I had everything in this world, but I'm going to my grave with nothing, empty hands, just as I came. It is a lesson to tell us, don't think you have become too pious to walk over brothers and sisters. Don't think you got the biggest house that you could laugh on those who got smaller houses. Don't think you got the better car that you could look down on those with a cheaper car. Don't think you got a better clothing that you could look down on those who got lesser quality clothing. Don't think you got a bigger degree and education and an LLB after your name or an ASS after your name and you're better than everybody else. Don't think so, please. Sikandar wanted the world to know nothing. Nothing. And that's a lesson for us here, especially in America. A lot of us come to America and think we have gone up the ladder. We got bigger homes, better cars, more money in the account, everything. Brothers and sisters, when you leave this world, you're going like that. You know what? Even worse than that. Some of us, while we're living, we go like that. Some of us, while we are living, we get sick and we lose everything. We end up sharing it before we die. We got to give it out before we die. We see it not belonging to us anymore. That is even more painful. That is even more painful. We got to distribute it before we die. Some of us are so stupid we want to take it with us in the grave, not knowing that they will take it back after they bury you.